Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can cancel your Yubo subscription. To cancel your Yubo subscription, you cannot simply just uninstall the app, because uninstalling the app will not solve the problem of unsubscribing. To unsubscribe from Yubo, you need to go into your Play Store. After you are on your Play Store, you need to go into your profile, and here you will see an option for payments and subscriptions. Click on payments and subscriptions. After that, it will take you to this kind of screen. Again, go on to subscription. Now if you have subscribed to Yubo already, Yubo will be displayed right here, and after it has displayed here, you will also be able to see a cancel subscription button right here on the right hand side. So if you want to cancel the subscription of Yubo, just simply click on cancel, then you'll be able to cancel the subscription. This was for this video, and that's how you can cancel the subscription on your Yubo. I hope you guys found the information of our video helpful. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.